In this lesson, we will learn how to use setter and getter. In JavaScript, setter and getter are also called accessor or accessor property. We use them to retrieve and set the value of another property. Setter and getter are defined as methods, but used as properties. We got an object A here. It has a data property, message, and a method, access message. Access message can retrieve and reset the value of message. Basically, the access message method does the job of both setter and getter. Next, we convert access message into a setter and a getter. First, we empty access message. Before the property name, we put the keyword get. Getter is for retrieving values only. It cannot have any arguments. Here, we directly return this .message. In your real-life projects, you will usually return a processed value. Now, we have an accessor property called access message, but it can only retrieve value. To be able to reset property value, we need to define the setter part. We add the keyword set and define the access message method again. The setter method must have one argument and can only have one argument. Here, we directly assign the argument value to this .message. In your real-life projects, you probably need to filter and process the argument value first. The setter is now done. Let's open the A object. We can see the getter and setter are both recorded as methods, but when you are using them, you should treat them as properties. A.accessMessage will get us the value of the message property. But if you use A.accessMessage as a method, you will get an error report. To use the setter part, we just need to assign a new value to access message. Now the message property's value has been reset by the setter. You can also define getter and setter using object.defineProperty. We will learn this in the following lessons.